The Supreme Court of India has given the Central Bureau of Investigation full authority to investigate one of the fastest growing cybercrimes in the country, known as digital arrest scams. These scams have already caused losses of more than Rs 3,000 crores, largely affecting citizens who were pressured into transferring money through threats and deception. A digital arrest scam usually starts with a call from someone pretending to be from the CBI, the Enforcement Directorate, the Income Tax Department, a courier company, or the police. The victim is told that their name, phone, Aadhaar details, or bank account is linked to a serious offense. Before the person can verify anything, the caller demands that the conversation be moved to WhatsApp or Skype. Once the victim is on video, the scammers increase the pressure. They may show fake badges, uniforms, or forged documents, and use artificial intelligence to create backgrounds resembling police stations or courtrooms. The victim is told that they are, quote, under digital arrest and must remain on the call without speaking to anyone else. Under the claim of helping with verification, they are instructed to transfer money to what is described as a safe or verification account. These funds are immediately moved through mule accounts and often sent abroad. Many victims are older citizens who tend to trust official sounding calls and fear getting into trouble. The emotional pressure, combined with appearance of authority, often leads them to comply. The growing scale of these scams led to the Supreme Court's intervention. The court noted that fraudsters were forging judicial signatures, creating fake court orders, and impersonating officers, which harms public trust in the justice system. It therefore authorized the CBI to investigate the digital arrest cases across India, including in states where CBI usually requires specific permissions. States were instructed to grant consent without any delay. The court also issued several directions. It asked the CBI to work with Interpol to track international cybercrime networks. It requested the Reserve Bank of India to explore the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to identify complicated money laundering patterns. The Department of Telecommunications was asked to strengthen safeguards on the issue of SIM cards, since multiple SIMs under one identity are often used in such scams. Online platforms were told to cooperate with investigations under existing IT rules. States and union territories were advised to set up regional cybercrime coordination centers linked to the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center so that information can be shared quickly and investigations can be more effective. The court stressed that digital arrest scams are an organized nationwide threat that cannot be handled by individual police stations alone. Public awareness remains essential. Indian law enforcement agencies do not conduct investigations over WhatsApp or Skype. They do not ask people to transfer money to prove their innocence, and there is absolutely no legal concept of digital arrest. Any call that makes such demands should be treated as a scam. Anyone who receives such a call should immediately contact their bank to freeze transactions. Call the National Cybercrime Helpline at 1930, file a report at cybercrime.gov.in, save all evidence, and contact the nearest cyber police station. Digital arrest scams have reached the highest court in the country, leading to stronger national coordination. However, awareness, especially among elderly and vulnerable individuals, remains the most effective protection.